Welcome to American English with Sushil.
Wake up! It's already 7 o'clock.
Just 5 more minutes, please.
No way! You'll be late for the office again.
Oh no, I forgot to set the alarm last night.
Hurry up! I've already made your breakfast.
That's great. What did you make today?
Toast, eggs, and a cup of tea. Your favorite.
Perfect. You always take care of me so well.
Of course. Now get ready quickly or the taxi will leave.
All right, I'm going. Thank you, dear. Good morning. Can you take me to Green Park?
Good morning. Sure. Please have a seat.
How long will it take to reach there?
Around 20 minutes, if traffic is light.
Okay, the weather looks nice today.
Yes, it's cool and sunny. Perfect for travel.
Do you drive every day at this hour?
Yes, I start early to avoid heavy traffic.
That's smart. How long have you been driving taxis?
For almost 5 years now.
Wow, you must know all the roads in the city.
Yes, pretty much every shortcut.
That's great. Please drop me near the park gate.
Sure, we'll be there in a few minutes.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thank you. Do you come to this library often?
Yes, I come almost every day after class.
What do you usually study here?
I study English and history mostly.
Do you have any book suggestions for beginners?
Try short stories or graded readers. They are very helpful.
How long do you usually read at a time?
Around 1 hour, then I take a short break.
That sounds like a good habit. Do you take notes?
Yes, I write new words and practice them later.
Can you help me with pronunciation sometime?
Of course, we can practice together after school.
Wow, it started raining heavily. Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, I do. Would you like to share it?
That would be really kind. Thank you.
No problem. Where are you heading in this rain?
I'm going to the clinic for a checkup.
Oh, I hope everything is okay. Do you need help finding the clinic?
I know the way, but thanks for asking.
It's safer to walk slowly on wet roads.
Yes, I will be careful. Do you take the bus or walk in such weather?
I usually wait for the bus, but today it's late.
All right. Thank you again for the umbrella.
You're welcome. Take care and stay dry.
Hi. It's so nice to see you here. How have you been?
Hi, I've been good. Busy with work, but I'm fine.
The weather is beautiful today. Perfect for a walk.
Yes, the sun and breeze are just perfect.
Do you come to this park often?
I come here on weekends to relax and read.
That's a great habit. What book are you reading now?
I'm reading a short novel about travel and friendship.
Sounds interesting. Can we sit and chat for a while?
Yes, let's sit on that bench near the pond.
I miss these calm moments. Thank you for meeting me.
Me too. It's good to take a break sometimes.
Good morning. Did you finish the report from yesterday?
Good morning. Yes, I finished most of it and sent a draft.
Great. Can you add the sales numbers to the third table?
Sure. I will update the table and send the final version.
Do you need any help with the charts?
That would be helpful. Can you check the colors and labels?
Absolutely. I'll correct them after my meeting.
Perfect. By the way, lunch plans today?
I might order food. Want to join?
Yes, let's order together. What would you like?
Maybe some sandwiches and a salad.
Sounds good. I'll place the order at noon.
Thank you. Let's finish the report first.
Yes, teamwork makes it faster.
Hey, long time no see. How are you?
Hey, I'm good. Just busy with work these days.
Same here. Do you come here often?
Yes, I love the coffee here. It's so fresh.
What do you usually order?
A cappuccino with extra foam.
Sounds nice. I'll try that today.
You should. It's their best one.
By the way, are you free this weekend?
Yes, I think so. Why?
Let's go for a walk at the park like old times.
That's a great idea. I'd love that. Excuse me, where can I find fresh fruits?
The fruits are on aisle 3 near the vegetables.
Thank you. Do you have organic apples today?
Yes, we have organic apples and also local apples.
Which one do you recommend for a salad?
Local apples are crisp and good for salads.
How much is 1 kilogram of apples?
It's $3 per kilogram today.
Great. Can I pay by card at the counter?
Yes, cards are accepted and contactless too.
Do you have reusable bags for sale?
Yes, near the checkout, we sell reusable bags.
Thank you for your help. I'll go get the apples.
You're welcome. Have a nice shopping.
Hello. Could I see the menu, please?
Of course, here's the menu. Would you like any recommendations?
Yes. What's the special today?
Today's special is grilled salmon with vegetables.
That sounds delicious. Is it spicy?
Not very spicy. We can make it mild if you prefer.
I'll have the grilled salmon, please, with a side salad.
Would you like water or a drink with that?
Just water, please. And can I get it with no onions?
Certainly, no onions. Any dessert later?
Maybe a fruit salad for dessert.
Good choice. I'll place your order now.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. Today was a long day, wasn't it?
Yes, it really was. But it feels like we got a lot done.
Did you finally manage to send that big report?
Yes, thank goodness. I sent the final email right before dinner.
That's great. You have that early meeting tomorrow, right?
Yes, at 9 a.m. I really need some good sleep tonight.
Me too. I'm exhausted. A good night's sleep helps a lot.
Absolutely. Let's rest and start fresh tomorrow.
Thanks for handling the kids' homework today.
Of course. And you handled the dinner dishes.
Good night.
Good night.
Sleep well.